Hello my dear boys and girls, how are you all? I think you all are doing well. I appreciate you children are participating in the Zoom class very nicely. Very good. You are doing your homework, submitting it properly. I appreciate you for doing this and I thank the parents for encouraging the students. Now, in this session, you are going to learn two subjects. The first subject is English and the last subject is Maths. In English, I am going to teach you about slanting line. Yes, I am going to teach you how to write slanting line. After learning slanting line, you are going to learn a new activity. Yes, you are going to color a boat. Are you ready? Come, let's rock the class. This is your English class. Now spell the word English. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. Okay. You have already learned in the previous class what is sleeping line. Sleeping line, how will you sleep? You will sleep like this, isn't it? So, this is the sleeping line. This is the sleeping line. And you also would have learned standing line. Standing, see, we are standing straight, isn't it? So, standing line will be like this. In this class, I am going to teach you slanting line. Slanting line. See here, this is sleeping line, standing line, and this is slanting line. See here, slanting. This is slanting line. This line is from right to left and this is left to right. There are two types of slanting line. One is from right to left, the other is from left to right. I am going to teach you this slanting line in your book. Shall we see it? Come. I am going to teach you a rhyme for slanting lines. Are you ready to listen? Slanting lines. We are slanting lines, sliding we go. First to the left from up to down, then to the right from up to down, slipping and sliding, oh so slow. Take your book, take page number 8. Keep your finger under the heading and read the heading as I am reading. Trace the slanting lines. Trace the slanting lines. Show the rain falling from left to right. Show the rain falling from left to right. Now these are all rain fallings. We are going to trace it. See here, keep the pencil on the top of the line, slanting line, and join the dots as I am joining. See here, from left to right. See here, this is how you must trace the dots. Don't take your hand off when you are tracing. Okay, these are slanting lines. You have to finish it like this. But we shall do all these things in your Zoom class. The next page is trace the slanting lines from left to right. Okay, this is your left side and that is your right side. From left to right. See, they have drawn already. You have to join the dots like this. See here, keep your pencil on the top to bottom. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. This is from left to right. Okay, we can finish these things in your Zoom class. The next one is trace the slanting lines from right to left. As I told you before, this is your right side and this is your left side. Okay, we must join from this side to this side. See here, it is done already. Now we are going to trace these lines. When you are tracing, don't take your hand off. From right to left, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. This is how you must finish page number 9, but we can do all these things in our Zoom class. Now trace the slanting lines to make zigzag lines. Now trace the slanting lines to make zigzag lines. Zigzag, what is meant by zigzag? This is zigzag. This is zigzag. This is zigzag. Now keep your pencil on the red line. From here, move your pencil to the second blue line. Go up and touch the red line. Come down, touch the blue line, second blue line. When you are tracing, I told you not to take your hands off. Do it like this, zigzag line. This is called zigzag lines. Slanting line in zigzag lines. Finish it as I have done. Take page number 10, keep your finger under the heading and start reading. Where are the slanting lines in the drum? Where are the slanting lines in the drum? Color the drum. Color the drum. Okay. Can you spot the slanting lines here? Yes, here are the slanting lines. These are called slanting lines. Now we are going to color this drum. Take the crayon and start coloring. Now I am using brown crayon for the drumstick. Drumstick, okay. I am coloring it with brown color. Color the drumstick with brown, and you can color it with your favorite colors. I am coloring it with purple color. Whenever you are coloring, don't change the pattern. Color it properly. Don't come out of the outline. This is purple color. What color is this? This is purple color. Then I am going to color here with yellow color. See, yellow color looks bright, isn't it? Yellow color. This is yellow color. Then I am going to color here with light green. Color it slowly and carefully whenever you are coloring. What color is this? This is green color. And I am going to color here these zigzag lines. Zigzag lines are over. See, I have finished coloring. Now this is done. Then what color? We shall color here with orange. Now the drum is ready. See how beautiful it is. You can color it and enjoy it, but we can do this in our Zoom class. Children, have you ever been to beach? What have you seen in the beach? Yes, you would have seen a boat, birds, fish, and many children playing there. Today we are going to trace this little boat with a pencil. As I have already told you, see here, this is sleeping line. This is, see, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sleeping lines. And can you identify what line is this? Yes, this is standing line. Standing. See here, it is straight. So it is called standing line. And now see here, these are all slanting line. Slanting. Okay. This is from right to left and this is from left to right. Now this is a flag. We are going to trace all the sleeping lines. See here, without taking a hand, you must join all the dots. That is, you have to trace the sleeping line. First trace all the sleeping lines given here. 3 sleeping lines. Then trace the slanting lines. Here is a slanting line, here is a slanting line, here is a slanting line, and here is also slanting line. Now shall we trace the standing line? Yes, this is standing line. Now we are going to trace the flag. Yes. What is the color of the boat? You are right, it's brown in color. So I am coloring the boat with brown color. Where do the boat sail? It sails on the sea. This is the boat. And I am going to color this with blue color. Shall we color it with blue and yellow? Okay. We can color it with blue and yellow. Then this side with yellow. What can you see near the boat? We can see birds flying near the boat. Now I am going to color the flag with green color. Red color, and with blue color. Now our boat is ready to sail. You can color this and enjoy, but we can do it in our Zoom class.
Hello children, this is your Maths class. In this class, you are going to learn how to match the shapes to the same shapes and how to match the colors to the same colors. At last, you are going to listen to a story, The Worm Who Made the Shapes. Come, let's start our class. Shall we spell the word maths? M-A-T-H-S, maths. Already you are all familiar with these shapes. Quickly, shall we recall this? Come. This is a circle. This is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a triangle. Children, can you guess what shape is this? Yes, this is a star. This is a star. Look there children, what is that? Yes, that is a starfish. Can you say what is the shape of the starfish? Yes, the starfish is star in shape. Children, now we are going to do some exercise from our book. Take your book, take page number 22. Matching. Matching. Match the shapes that are the same. Now you are going to match these shapes to the same shapes. Are you all ready? What shape is this children? This is a rectangle and this is a circle. This is a triangle. This is a star and this is a square. Opposite sides also we have the same shapes. First, take your pencil. This is a rectangle. What color is the rectangle? Yeah, this is a green rectangle. Now, can you find where is green rectangle here? Yes, here it is. So, take your pencil and draw a line to the green rectangle. Next, circle. This is an orange circle. Where is orange circle here? Here it is. So, draw a line to the orange circle. Now, this is a red triangle. Now, where is red triangle? Yes, here it is. So, draw a line to the red triangle. Now, this is a blue star. Here is the blue star. So, keep your pencil here, go and match to the blue star. Yes. At last, we are going to match the yellow square. Go and match to the yellow square. We will match these shapes in our Zoom class. Take the next page, page number 23. Match the clothes that are of the same color. Match the clothes that are of the same color. Children, here we have some colorful dresses. See, what type of dress is this? This is a red sweater. This is a green pair of pants. This is a blue cap. And this is a pink frog. This is a yellow t-shirt. Look at this side. This is a pair of yellow socks. This is a red hat. This is a pink raincoat. This is a blue t-shirt and this is a green frog. Now you are going to match the clothes with the same color clothes. See the first dress. This is a red sweater and see the opposite side. This is a red hat. Both are red in color. So you are going to match these clothes. This is a green pair of pants. Where is green color clothes here? Yes, here it is. So keep your pencil here. Draw a line to the green frog. This is a blue cap. Where is blue color clothes here? Here it is. So match the blue cap to the blue t-shirt. This is a pink frog. Where is pink color here? Here it is. So draw a line to the pink raincoat. At last, this is a yellow t-shirt. Here a pair of socks. This exercise also we will do in our Zoom class. Children, next take page number 37. See, here we have 4 shapes. The first one is red triangle, yellow square, blue circle, green rectangle. Children, can you see? What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of an engine. Now, you are going to color the engine with these colors. Come, let's color. Children, observe this picture. The engine is made up of 4 shapes. Okay. First shape is triangle. The color of the triangle is red. So, I am going to color all the triangles with red. The next shape is square. Square is yellow in color. So, I am going to color all the squares with yellow. This is the square. Next, the circle is blue. So, take the blue color, color the circles with blue. Next, I am going to color all the rectangle with green. Children, now our colorful engine is ready to go. Children, this is your story time. The name of the story is The Worm Who Made Shapes. Come, let's listen to the story.
Wendy Worm can make shapes. She went into a garden. She saw shiny blue square tiles on the garden wall. Wendy Worm said,
I can be a square.
and she became a square. Wendy Worm climbed up a tree. She saw children playing with hula hoops.
Those hoops are like circles. I can be a circle.
She said. Wendy Worm became a circle. Wendy Worm was at a pond. She saw bricks around it that looked like rectangles.
I can be a rectangle,
she said. Wendy Worm saw the hills at a distance. They were like big triangles.
I can be a triangle, but I am tired,
she said, and away she went.
Did you all enjoy the story? Now I am going to ask you some questions. What is the name of the worm? Yes, the name of the worm is Windy. Children, what shape Windy see on blue tiles? Yes, it's square. What is the shape of the hoop? The shape of the hoop is circle. What is the shape of the brick? The shape of the brick is rectangle. The shape of the brick is rectangle. Children, what shape is the hill? The shape of the hill is triangle. The shape of the hill is triangle. Hope you all enjoyed this session. Meet you in the next session. Take care. Bye.